Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make matcha choco chip scone. It's just a simple chocolate chip scones, but I'm Japanizing it by adding some matcha green tea powder. Very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, 50 grams of chocolate chips, 70 grams of butter, dice and chill in freezer, 8 grams each of baking powder and matcha powder, 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Beat the egg in a small bowl. Add milk, and chill this in the fridge. Let's put all these powder ingredients in the food processor. Flour, sugar, baking powder, and matcha powder. Pulse to mix. Add chilled butter and mix. And take it out in a large bowl. Chocolate chips, egg and milk mixture, and mix. Try not to knead, so you're not really mixing it. You're just letting the dry ingredients soak up the wet ingredients. Like this. It's still floury, but this is where you want to stop. Prepare plastic film and take it out on the film. Press it to make it into one block. Try to make it into square or rectangle. Wrap it tight. And chill this in the fridge, at least 1 hour. It's been chilled for 1 hour. Start preheating the oven at 250 degrees Celsius. Remove the film. Cut it into half. Stack them. Wrap it and press. Remove the film. Cut it into half. Stack them. Wrap it. And press. Flatten it to 1 inch or so. Remove the film. Let's cut it into 6. Put them on the oven sheet lined with parchment paper. And bake for 20 to 22 minutes. Bake for 20 minutes and it's done. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!